There are two ways to access the sketch. First way to access the sketch would be to use the feature here called Position Sketch. Again, these are tabs on the top, and these are my features on the bottom row. And this is my specification tree, and this is my absolute axis. And these are the tabs on the top that allow me to jump from model to model. So as you start working on this and building models, you can switch them simply by hitting the tabs, and you can also close them by hitting the X. So to access a sketch, you simply hit Sketch Position, click on a plane here, or you can click on a plane here. I'll click on the YZ plane in the tree and select OK, and I've just accessed a sketcher. In order to get out of the sketcher, you use this feature here called the Exit App. This is found in the Standard tab, and here's your Exit App. A more popular technique to enter the sketch would be to simply select on this profile. It knows you want to go into Sketcher, or it's speculating this is probably the most likely thing you want to do. So you can pick the sketch right out of this pop-up window that comes up when you select that little profile that looks like an L shape representing the YZ plane. So I click on that. I slide over here, up and down, side to side. That'll be the next demo on how to tell you how to get in and out of the sketch. Okay. This sketch 2 actually should be in the part body. The reason why it's called sketch 2 is this is the second attempt to make a sketch, and it keeps a tally of how many times you try and do this. Alright, to get out, you hit exit, and the proper technique to get into the sketch is first define the in-work object. So you contextual menu on the part body, which is a right click. So I'm right clicking here on the part body and I'm selecting define in-work object. That makes this underlined, and the underline is what's the in-work object, not what's highlighted. Even though geometrical set is highlighted, I'm actually working in the part body. Always have your tree expanded so you can see what you're working on. We'll go ahead and select this again, the L-shaped profile on the YZ plane. Select this icon to create a sketch. Notice the part body is underlined, and I'm going to open the sketch by hitting plus, and I can see sketch 3 is indeed in the part body. Again, this is the third attempt to get into a sketch. I can exit this, and that is how you get in and out of a sketch workbench.